2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid.
Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep clean my room slash bathroom slash house with me. I'm going away and my mom is super busy today and we're leaving tomorrow to go to LBI. So she asked me to just clean my whole house and get everything done. So I'm gonna help her out and do that, of course. I thought it would be a good idea to make a video off of it because I find it super satisfying when I watch clean with me's. So this is going to be a very deep clean with me, especially the room portion because my room is a mess and I have to do laundry, I have to clean the bathroom, I have to clean my kitchen, I have to clean my room and everything like that. So I just thought it'd be a good idea to film it and make a video out of it. With all that being said, if you guys did want to subscribe, it would mean the world to me, but of course you don't have to. And if you want to, leave me a comment down below because I do answer every single comment. With all that being said, let's get into this video. Alrighty, so in my room, this is what we're working with. I just filmed a video, so this is what my floor looks like. And then I have clothes over there that have to go away. I have to clean this chair and I have to fix some of my closet. And then I have to fix that area over there and put that stuff away.
I can't help but fall in love with you. I can't help.
So I finished cleaning my floor. I put everything into piles, so that's garbage other than the notebook. And this is everything that has to go into my arts and craft drawer, which is actually in my closet underneath in here. So I have to be able to open this, so I'm gonna get this to open and then put everything in here.
Make you feel like you deserve to. Girl, I know your last man would desert you. You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurt to go without you every day and every night when you're one call away from being right.
I'm gonna put all of my customization books that I was showing in the other video in my backpack, and then I have to throw that out. And then basically that portion of my room is clean.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your...
Just to prove that my closet is somewhat clean, this is actually still color coded from my closet video, and it's actually pretty clean other than this portion right here, but I'm gonna leave that for when I get back from vacation just because it's just a lot of school paperwork that I have to actually sort through, and then that's just my vacation bag that I have to put all my clothes in. So other than that, it is pretty clean.
Don't stop looking in my
So I just moved my chair back in front of my closet because that's where it goes. And now I'm going to take all of the stuff on top of the notebook and throw it out just because I don't need it. And then I'm going to put my notebook downstairs in my basement because that's where I keep my extra notebooks. Alright, so I have my mirror cleaner and my paper towels, and now I'm just gonna wipe down both of my mirrors. So I have a long one and one by my vanity, so I'm gonna clean those just to make them super sanitized and not smudged. I just can't get over. Cleaning my mirrors are all complete now and they look very clean with no streaks, which is the way we like it. And now I'm gonna go do the laundry. I think my mom has a load in there, and then I'm going to put my laundry in there, which is right there. As you guys just saw, I did the wash, as in I folded my mom's laundry and then I put mine in the wash machine. And now I'm going to head to the kitchen to clean up the kitchen. I actually didn't have anything to eat today, so I may have a little break and get some food, but we'll see because I'm actually not that hungry. So I don't really know what I'll do, but I will update you guys. But all I know is right now we gotta clean the kitchen. This is what we're working with. It's really not that bad. I think I just have to clean the counters and empty the dishwasher and then put the dishes into the sink. So it's not that bad, but still has to be clean.
I can't help but fall in
Just emptied everything, and now I have to put the dirty dishes into the dishwasher.
You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurt to go without you every day and every night. When you're one call away from being right by my side. Now, girl, why don't you stay in me and you talk about it?
Time to clean the counters.
I ain't never gonna leave you in, don't you ever doubt it. Can you say what's on your mind? Sit down and let's talk, take all the stress off that we get from every day. Trying to be good just like that we should, but it doesn't work anyway. One day let's go out.
When you're making coffee for your mom and you fill it too high and you have to bring it down the stairs, switched cups and now we're good. After I gave my mom her coffee, I just decided to take a break, eat some lunch, and now my wash is done, so I'm gonna flip my wash over and put it in the dryer.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you?
Now my mom asked me to take all the sheets off of her bed and throw them in the wash just because we are leaving tomorrow and obviously we want everything to be clean. So I'm going to take the sheets off her bed and do that for her. My sheets were actually just washed the other day, so that's why I'm not doing mine. And let's just get to this.
I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
My wash is done, the dryer just went off, so I'm gonna go get my clothes out of the dryer and then bring them in my room and fold them. So it's the next day, so please excuse the way I look. It's 6 a.m. and I forgot to pack, so I am packing right now. I'm going to show you guys some of the cute outfits that I'm bringing, and that should be it. This is everything that I have, so that's bag number 1 and that's bag number 2. This is the first outfit. I got this little sweater from Princess Polly, and these shorts are from Garage. So this is the first one that I'm bringing. I think it looks cute together and is something that's kind of good for coolish weather on the beach at night. This is the second outfit. I have this little cute shirt from Princess Polly and then this denim skirt from Garage. Next I have this black shirt from Garage and then these denim de-stressed shorts. Then I have this cheetah shirt with some lace on the top and then this skirt from Princess Polly. So this one is really nice and like thin material but not see-through, so it's again good for a hot day. And then I just have some necessities. So I have a pair of jeans, a little blue crop top. It's more like athletic material. And then I have a going out top from Princess Polly and just a dress from Tilly's that I really like, and it's a necessity to bring a dress. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff in there, and everything else I already have in there. It's just not stuff you really like show on camera.
Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
Alright, so this is obviously outfit change number 3 of the video because I took a shower, we're about to leave, but I just wanted to come on here and say that I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up if you want to. Of course, you don't have to. Angle change because my camera ran out of space, but I do answer every single comment, so if you wanted to chat with me, it's a good way to talk. With all that being said, I hope you guys really liked this video. I find Clean With Me's so satisfying. I don't know why, I just really do. Let me know if you guys want more of these videos because, like I said, Clean With Me's are just a whole nother mood of satisfying. So with all that being said, thank you so much again for watching and for all the recent support on my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to